Okay, so I'm doing hive 1, and this is unreal. I pulled this frame. I haven't found the queen yet, but look, and those are freshly hatched in the center, and looks like they're cleaned out, ready for round 2. That's honey up in the corners there, and there's pollen around here and there all over the place. Doesn't get any better than that.
Okay, I gotta get in.
I'll clean this.
I gotta get in.
Bring this right up.
Ray's commentary, because he knows what's going on here. I just freaking hang out. There's honey on the top.
Yes.
And the bottom
brood
patches in the brood on the bottom. Oh yeah, that's brood. Wow. And that's wow. All right. Look at that in there. That's brood in there.
So they're still queen's still laying like crazy. You can see the next frame here is the same honey on the sides, and you can just see the brood that's down below. It's the exact same thing. That's what's on the frames, and yeah, she's working good.
Uh-oh, I got tapped. Oh, tapped again. Okay, I'm out. Okay, girls, I got you.
So,
okay, see? Double tap.
and this is 3 high. This is changing out that green box. You can see around the corners the bees are getting out of all. It wasn't a good seal, so this white box here replaces it. And now that I've been in and out of it, this will be the last time for this year. So next visit I'll tape with that tuck tape. I'll tape all around. But that's hive 1. And
I gotta go to Home Hardware. Some bird seed. Assalamu alaikum, birdie.
so that's
You hear it? It's going cheep, cheep.
that's hive 1.
Oh. Yeah, hear it. Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear it?
And that bottom box are drawn out like crazy, so I moved 2 frames from that green box into the very bottom box and changed that board. There's the old board, and there's a brand new board underneath. You can see on the sides all rotted out, so I wanted to change that for winter. Now all 3 bottoms are brand new. I know, because we made them.
Oh yeah.
So good to go for bottoms. Now I just got to get a couple tops for the winter for hive 2 and 3. Flat ones like what was on there.
You stay dry, get in the car.
So now it's just a matter of taking the rest of the frames out of that green hive and adding it to that second hive there on top of that other one, and lean over, put that next super right on top, and put the feeder back on, and pretty much done deal. But it's starting to get cold at night, and the green box wasn't sealing, so I had to do something. I don't want to freeze the bees out. I want good seals, so. Lori said she got up this morning and it was +2 or something. So yeah. It's getting down closer to 0.
Leaves are falling off trees.
Yeah, so it's that time of year.
Take care of these girls. They're
so
special.
I just thought I'd show you that frame. She's doing good, frame after frame in that box. So she's still laying, she's still working. So I figure another month and then that'll be that. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe. And keep your stick on the ice and be nice to everybody. Take care.